Hi, it's Dorothy Kilty, and what I'm going to be doing for the next couple months is finishing up projects that I started and didn't finish. So you're going to see quite a bit of that. Yeah, I will, obviously, because I'm also trying to use up some scraps, be making some stuff from time to time. But this is using Line Dot Arrow's Elegant Burgundy kit, and I started this journal, and this is a piece of a quilt. I bought this at a yard sale, and the bottom of it, it was like really cheap because the bottom of it had been chewed up by a dog. And so I cut the bottom off. I kept the rest of the quilt. It was might have been a king size quilt. It was pretty big. So it's still plenty large enough for me. And but I have these beautiful pieces that I just love. It's hand quilted. It's just gorgeous. And then the closure, because this is a soft cover, and I thought about putting something on the inside to make it harder, but honestly, I like the back of the quilt as much as I do the front, so I didn't want to cover it up. So I didn't. Okay, so I just put these 3 buttons here for the closure because it helps keep the shape of it and stuff since it is a soft cover. And what I've done here is this is a row of couching on this gold thread, 6 out of both ends, and that holds the loops in place to go around the buttons. Okay, so as you can see, I did put a pocket on the inside. It's one of the things I like to do. But you can see the beautiful stitching. Can you see the beautiful stitching on this? Wish my quilting had ever been that beautiful, but it wasn't. This was a flower that I made for Treasure's Page and just a scrap of different things. And then this is just a paper that folds out with one of Kathleen Maurer's fancy folds. Okay, and then this is the kit. Now, again, this is a gorgeous kit. Natalie at Line Dot Arrow does beautiful work, and on the back, there's all this paper with the graph on it and stuff can definitely be used for journaling. Okay, and then the white edge, I just used fancy scissors to cut them to make it looks a little bit like a lace. So this is a relatively simple book. This is papers that I made. This was a doily that I folded so it would fit on the page. You can kind of see the fold in the center with some of my coffee dyed paper behind it. So I put that on some of these papers. But just look how gorgeous this is with Natalie's papers in it. I could have put pockets and things in here. I didn't. That's something that could be added if you wanted to add that. It has 3 signatures, which I think is pretty. Okay. So this is avocado dyed paper that I did. Or maybe it's Natalie's. I don't know. More of that. I will put a link below to this kit so that you can buy it if you'd like. Just every page is just wonderful. And it came in 2 versions, the tall version and the regular sideways version, so that you can make a tall journal like this, or you could make a regular, fold them in the other way journal. Equally beautiful either way. And I have this really bad habit of starting things that printing out paper may or may not get any farther than that, and not finishing putting them together. So that's the reason that I am just trying to finish projects off for the end of the year. And I'm allowing myself like 3 months because, well, for one thing, I've been doing the Treasured Pages quarterly swaps. So I didn't sign up for that because that takes quite a bit of time. One of the projects I have to finish is simply finishing the last 3 months journal. I have all the beautiful things I received from my swap partners and I need to put it together. So that's in the list over here. I just love every one of these pages. So beautiful. So anyway, this is going to be up for sale at a Maker's Market here in Colorado Springs. I'm hoping to get it down to her by the end of the week. So again, another fancy fold with this is a button, a wooden button that I like. This one is blue on the inside, so just whatever. And that's the journal. Thank you very much for watching. If you do happen to be interested in purchasing this, we might be able to arrange something offline. So before I take it down to Maker's Market here in Colorado Springs, and that would be fun too. So let me know, and check out all of Natalie's kits. She just, they're so rich and beautiful.